Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sabina. I make a weekly video related with fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you like those kind of videos, then make sure you do subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. So I am planning to do a small giveaway when I hit 1K. I am not there yet, but almost there. With your help, I will hit 1K soon. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to subscribe to my channel. One of you guys is gonna win one of my favorite luxury items, and I'm so excited for that. Today's video, I'm gonna share with you what I got from Cartier. This is a gift from my husband, and I am so excited to open this box and share with you what I got. This one is actually my anniversary gift. Our anniversary was in April, but we were all locked down and staying home, so he didn't give me anything that in April. So he told me that whenever I'm ready, he gonna buy me something. So he decided to purchase me something from Cartier. So I'm so happy to get these items, and I can't wait to show you that what I got. Let's open this box. So this comes in this nice little red bag. I love the red and this gold color. It's very nice. And here is the box. So she gave me this little cleaning kit also. If you buy something Cartier jewelry, and if their SA doesn't give it to you, these things you can ask them, so they will give it to you. This looks like this, and it has a small brush, like a toothbrush, and you can clean your jewelry. So here is the cleaning kit, and then it comes with this travel pouch. I like this kind of pouch, so when you travel you don't have to carry this big box, right? So it will be easy to just put it inside and put it in your bag. I like this travel pouch. And then here is my receipt, and here is the authenticity card. The card looks like this, and here is my card. And you need this one, you need this certificate, and then here is my receipt. So let's open this box. This is so beautiful, I don't want to even open it. So let's do it. There we go. So here is the box, and I'm going to put this box down here. And then here is the box. I'm so excited. And here she is. I got a Justin Clue bracelet in diamond. So this bracelet, they just released this one in Justin Clue in diamond September 1st, but I was able to purchase this before September, and they did not have my size. So anyways, I purchased this before September, so I have to wait until September 1st, but they didn't have my size, so they have to order, and I got it in 16 inch. Let me show you. Let me take this out. I have a Justin Clue ring here. I got it, this one, in like my third year, I think third year anniversary, or 30, something like he gave. I remember that he gave it to me for my anniversary gift, and I always wanted to have one bracelet, just like, so I can have a matching. So I was planning to actually buy the regular one, and when my essay Diane, she showed me that they are just releasing this new Justin Clue with the diamond. When I wore it, this just looks so beautiful, and my husband was like, you know, you just need to get the diamond one. And it was not much difference. It was I think around 1300 difference between the regular Justin Clue and with the diamond one. And this diamond is just so beautiful and sparkly, and I like that how they have a diamond on this edge in the nails too. Can you see or no? I don't know. Can you see there or no? Because it's so small. These diamonds are DF color and within a VVS1 quality. This has total 20 brilliant cut, and look at this, the diamond goes all around here. So that's what I like about it, like except like where this thing goes, like here there is no diamond, but around here everywhere is like a diamond here. I love this. This is so cute and small, and I just love the style of these things. I love my ring. I wear every single day, but I don't know that I'm gonna wear this every single day, but right now I'm just like so happy that it added to my jewelry collection. I already told you that I got it this in size 16, and this is perfect. So this is how it looks. I don't think it can see really good, but this is so beautiful. I love gold jewelry. I might wear this one in my left hand, and I'll just take my gold bracelet, all this are that I bought it from Indian store. I'll take all this out, and then maybe I might wear this one right here. I like a small dainty pieces, and this is so perfect. This is beautiful. I love Cartier jewelry, and also the price point is really good because Cartier's diamonds are so expensive, and you can find something like this price is really good. So also I told you the difference between the regular one, like this one without the diamond, and with the diamond was just 1300 difference. So why not just to purchase with the one with the diamond? And if you guys are planning to buy Cartier just include, then maybe check out this diamond one if you like diamond, you know. I really like it. I'm really happy with this. This looks really beautiful. So here is my jewelry. This is my 5th year anniversary bracelet. He always buy me something small thing. He bought me this Tiffany one in 2nd year anniversary, and he bought me this one in our 3rd year anniversary. And then I think this one is in 4th year anniversary, and this is our 5th year anniversary. So always he tried to buy me something jewelry like that is gold or diamond or something like that. So yeah, this is my new Cartier just include bracelet, and I'm so happy that this added to my jewelry collections. I can't wait to add some more Cartier jewelry into my collection, but for right now, yeah, no, that's it. So yes guys, that's all for today's video. If you guys like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up, and also go follow me on my Instagram, Sabina K Stone. And before you head out, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also do thumbs up to this video. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.